Привет, друзья! Коротенькое авторское видео. Тут вы увидите проект, который я печатал целый месяц, как я его собирал и с какими трудностями столкнулся. Будет много музыки, много сборки и мало разговоров. Поехали!
Будем теперь печатать розовые детальки.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Самая большая деталь практически допечаталась, 93%, 16 часов. Если она все-таки допечатается, то дальше будет проще. Вообще, просто как будто бы и не держались. Так, еще одна ночь прошла. Так легко отваливаются, уже когда стол уступает, просто как будто бы они не держались на нем. Это я склеиваю, то есть это болты, разрезаны так, чтобы их можно было легко напечатать. Вот резьба сходится, клеится, закручивается.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be?
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be?
Ну и вот еще раз дешевые пластики, какое-то Г, и в итоге вся ночная печать встала, ничего не допечаталось, соответственно здесь пробка, это дело не прошло, придется думать, экономить на пластике или на своих нервах. Смотрите, хотел показать, чем отличается вот дешевый пластик от дорогих. Это пластик без бренда, то есть он по сути берется с некого производства, где вот делают пластик без бренда. И вот смотрите, не смог ей печатать, все забилось, встало. Здесь перепады, значит, от 1,8 до 1,4. Смотрите, вот здесь вот что замечено, да? Промерил пруток, здесь там 1,8, здесь где-то 1,6, здесь 1,7, где-то 1,4. Ну, короче, то он не мог протолкнуть, то протолкнул, то он не мог вытащить. В общем, принтер встал, пришлось разбирать, чистить. Эту катушечку под замену, но мы зарядили синий, будем печатать синим пока. Все запчасти у нас здесь. Голубые, розовые, серые, белые. И вот эта вот мелочевка. Значит, все рассортировал. Есть, значит, КД. Как это все собрать.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh, tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grid 6 feet like Kenny.
Call me a god. Call me a god. Call me a god. like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits.
Не, без звука будет.
Тут звук слышно не очень.
То есть можно матюкаться.
Можно, я специально оставлю.
Losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
Тут какая.
Нормально. Ну ладно, сейчас я его зафиксирую. И вот что получилось. 7 килограмм, робот, который движется, которого можно ставить в разные позы. Все на шарнирах, фиксируется. И самое главное, в темноте он светится. Вряд ли вам очень хорошо видно, но это так. Он светится таким зелененьким светом. Ну, вы знаете, как светится пластик, который в темноте должен светиться. Что делать с ним дальше, я не знаю. Если у вас есть идеи, пишите. Может быть, его продать куда-то. Он будет стоять красиво, просто выставочная модель. Или встречать каких-нибудь гостей в каком-нибудь кафе или еще где-то. Не знаю. Пишите в комментариях, а там разберемся.